Introduce highlight features and summary details of Halloween 3D bats decoration. 80 PCS 4 sizes realistic PVC scary bats window decal wall stickers for DIY home bathroom indoor Hallowmas decoration party supply. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview are include. Halloween is coming. You will definitely need some 3D bats to decorate your home and parties. These bat decorations change your walls and create a spooky Halloween atmosphere. These black bats are spooky and frightfully full enough to keep your family member excited about Halloween. If you are not careful to paste the wrong position of the wall, you can tear off the repaste. Can be the product under normal circumstances can be reused, as long as no tear. The bats are packed flat and DIY them into different wing angles. Put these stickers of different angles and sizes on the wall randomly. Scored lines on the wings and you can get a good 3D effect. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.